Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to compare WorkOS and Clerk to help you decide which authentication platform is best choice for your app or company. So let's start with Clerk. Clerk markets itself as the complete user management and authentication solution for React. It's lightweight, built for modern frameworks, and aims to replace tools like Firebase Auth with something more developer-friendly. On Reddit, a user summed up the appeal like this. Clerk has a very nice developer experience. It just works out of the box and saves a ton of boilerplate. Developers like Clerk because it handles sign-up, flows, multi-factor, and user management with polished UI components. But the downside, some devs note it can get pricey at scale and isn't as battle-tested for huge enterprises. Another Reddit comment said, great for small ops, but I'd be cautious about enterprise use because pricing can sneak up. Next is WorkOS. This one is an enterprise feature without the pain. So WorkOS, on the other hand, isn't trying to replace Firebase or Auth at the core Auth level. Instead, it focuses on enterprise features like single sign-on or SSO, SCIM provisioning, and directory sync. A Reddit user who integrated it said, "We use WorkOS with which we instantly support basically every corporate SSO. This makes WorkOS especially appealing if your startup wants to sell to larger companies and needs to check the enterprise-ready box fast. But as noted on another post, setup can get tricky for client-side rendering. So which one should you use? If you're building a consumer app or small SaaS and need smooth user onboarding with minimal code, Clerk is the better option. But if you're a B2B SaaS targeting enterprise clients, WorkOS will save you months of work, adding SSO and compliance features. For setups, I would say you would start with Clerk if you're focused on UX, but once you go up market and enterprise clients demand SSO, then that's where WorkOS shines. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.